Good day, traders. Just a short recap video on the gold trade this morning. We'll look at a couple of other pairs. And I want to come back to when the day starts. When the day starts, looking at that rollover time, and then targeting, again, understanding the U.S. session low. This is for the Asian session. U.S. session high. That's the high of the day. That's the low of the day in the U.S. When they proceed and put in a peak formation high, pull it back, peak formation low, continue to auction higher, come below 75. That's our three levels of rise. So we've come out of level 1 in our 100 pip box. We start the day, we're in a 100 pip box in the U.S. session. They come down to level 1 and they go up 3 levels into the upper third level. So again, volume is above 75. Now, I know there are other traders who nailed this trade this morning. But coming back now to when the day starts, we let the day set up. And you've heard me say this before, where we have a thesis, we're at the high of the week, the high of the day, but we let that first hour, 30 to 45 minutes trade. We're up high. We have a space. We have a low put in place in that first couple hours of the Asian session. The market then proceeds to break through the previous day's high before pulling back. There's our half Batman on a micro time frame, the 1 minute chart. The market then proceeds to come down into that low and then go vertical back up into shorts, early shorts that were in that second hour. They work the high, they come down, and they put a low in place 45 minutes into that Asian session. So you've heard me say in the previous video and in other videos, 30 to 45 minutes locking in the high, locking in the low in that first hour. We get into our last 15 minutes, and then in the last few minutes of that hour, they go vertical. Hit the stops on the lower hanging fruit inside before engulfing. Now, before that move happens, as we get towards the end of the hour, I'm already thinking timing-wise, we're at the end of the hour. We're at the end of the hour. Anything that breaks down underneath is my entry on this trade. When the market proceeds to head towards this low, you heard me say again in other videos, the breakout that forms this peak formation, anything above this level is fair game for adding positions. When it breaks down through that quarter level and pulls back, this breakout bar, anything inside of that is fair game at the numbers down into that bar for adding positions. And then I'm holding on to that move, and we come back and we look at the lower hanging fruit down at 50. We have lows that are broken. Once they're broken through there, my trades are at break even. We're targeting that 50 pip area, knowing that that was where the breakout was in that US session. So as we saw, it did turn around at that level. You can hold as it gets down to that level and takes out positions. If you're leaving a trailer, that trailer, when it comes down into that low, should be tightened up through here, because if that's going to go through, it should blow through that low. But when the market comes back, that take profit is hit, and you either lock in the whole amount, leave a trailer, close it out when it pulls back, either or just lock in the money and get off the screen. We have a 50 pip target. Again, that is into the next hour when that target is hit. It's as simple as that. 1 bar stop, profit target, entry, and that's it. Keep it simple, traders. Hopefully you got value from that video. Have a great day. May the markets go with you.